I know I'm still young, but I know how I feel. I might not have too much experience, but I know when love is real. By the way my heart starts pounding when I look into your eyes. Well, I might look a little silly, standing with my arms stretched open wide, but I love you this big. Eyes have never seen this big, and no one's ever dreamed this big. And I'll spend the rest of my life explaining what words cannot describe, but I'll try. I love you this big. I'll love you to the moon and back. I'll love you all the time, deeper than the ocean, yeah, maybe higher than the pines. See your world, I would. I love you.